Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today I've got another quick box opening. I just finished up a box opening of this Spinnaker from their Helium series that I picked up on their Black Friday sale for $99. We're going to open up my watchgang Black membership watch for November, which is also a $99 watch. So we'll see how it compares to the Spinnaker. This one's a little bit smaller packaging. I'm guessing we've got something with a leather or rubber strap. It seems like, you know, if they're bracelet ones, they usually come in a little bit bigger box. If you're not familiar with Watchgang, it is a monthly watch subscription company. And the Black tier is the $99 subscription. And I've had a lot of fun with it. I seem to get a fairly decent mix of automatics and quartz, and you know, you guys have seen a lot of what I get, and some of you guys even comment. Also guys, if you're looking for a watch, I've got promo codes and discount codes for Spinnaker, Aviate, and Ballast if you click the links below. And if you're into old cars, check out my other channel, Mileage Unknown. I've got some pretty cool old cars. Me and my brother are always working on trying to keep them going. So looks like there's a member exclusive of Black Friday Blowout, so I might have to check out what they got on the wheel. And let's see what I got for my watch this month. Bracket? Not sure. Can't really tell what that one says. All right, let's see here. So we got a quartz one. Is that what that says? Does that say bracket, Swiss quartz, genuine leather? Kind of like that strap. It actually reminds me of some of the leather from Spinnaker on some of their straps. I think that says J bracket. Maybe I can read a little better. Sometimes it's hard to read from behind the counter, guys, so don't beat me up too bad. J Bracket Company. Don't know much about J Bracket, so I will have to look these ones up. I like the brush case. Got a little bit of a polish on the edge of the bezel. You know, just kind of a simple, clean, nothing crazy on this one. Not bad looking for my $99 subscription. I don't know. I'm kind of digging the Spinnaker. I just bought more on my on their Black Friday sale. I don't know too much about the J bracket. I will definitely have to do my usual and wear it, see what I think, and do a follow-up video later on. I've been just trying to throw the follow-up videos in as I can. Keep getting too many new watches in, and they're more fun to open up than the follow-up videos on the old watches. Let's see if I can kind of throw it on here real quick. Got a little space left. And there you go. That's how that J bracket looks on my roughly 7-inch wrist. Not too bad. Like I said, just kind of a plain, simple, nothing crazy fancy, but you know, this is my $99 subscription watch for November. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.